Hey guys, what is up YouTube? ResDog here once again. This video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to show you guys how to download OBS Studio or OBS Classic. They're both pretty good programs, but I'll show you the difference very shortly. But yeah, all you have to do is just pop onto Google, type in OBS, and then it'll bring you to obsproject.com. I'll put the link down below in the description if you feel lazy to do all that. So yeah, and once you get onto the home page, you're going to go up here, click on download, and you're going to see this page right here. It says download installer for OBS Studio or download installer for OBS Classic. Now, the difference between Classic and Studio, it's not really that big. Like OBS Classic, it's pretty decent. It runs less CPU, or uses less CPU, and it uses less storage, and that kind of stuff. OBS Studio uses just a tiny bit more CPU and storage, and it has more of an upgraded look to it. It's kind of an easier setup than OBS Classic. So to me, I have OBS Studio, but depending on your laptop and how much it can take, like if you have more of a low-end PC, OBS Classic is kind of what I'd shoot for. But since we're going to go for Studio, because I have Studio, I'm going to show you guys how to download Studio. Now you're going to click download installer. I don't have to because I already have it, so you're going to click on that, and then a little window down here is going to pop up and it'll be like, what do you want to do with it? And then you press save as, and then this window will pop up, and make sure you save it as on your downloads. So make sure you do that. I'm going to exit out of here, and then you're going to see this OBS Studio 18.0.1 full installer or OBS Classic full installer. And once you're going to see that, you're going to double click it, you're going to click yes, and then the wizard setup's going to pop up, and then it'll say all this stuff, it is recommended that you close all applications, blah 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 blah. Click next to continue. Is already running. Yeah, I'm making this video, but I already have it, so you're going to click next, and then it's going to ask you which folder do you want to extract the files to. So depending on your laptop, you're either going to have one or two hard drives, either a C drive or a D drive. I downloaded it all on the D. That sounded very wrong. But anyway, I downloaded it on this drive right here, and under personal folder, OBS Studio, and that's what it's going to look like. Now, make sure you remember where you extracted your folder, your OBS folder, because it's going to be very vital for later on. So yeah, that's it, and I'm going to pull up OBS Studio, and this is what Studio looks like. It looks really good. It has kind of a upgraded setup, fade, duration, stuff like that, the mic aux or the desktop audio, stuff like that. And it's kind of easy to adjust compared to OBS Classic, but OBS Classic, it really isn't a complicated process. Like if you watch just a few videos on how to work Classic or stuff like that, it's very easy to get. But if you're feeling lazy, like a lot of people are, download OBS Studio if your laptop can take it, and it's a bit of an easier setup. As you can see, I already have some setups here. Don't mind the baby crying in the background. So here's gameplay. So it's just a screen and my webcam. What's up? And then screen and webcam, and then webcam. And I've also been hearing a lot of problems people are having, like they've been having a black screen, like it's not capturing their game or it's not capturing their screen. And another major problem I've been hearing, which is a lot, is when they record their videos and they go to click on their videos to view them, they aren't able to view them. And I also had that problem when I first downloaded this, so I'm going to show you how to fix that right now. So what you're going to do is you're going to go up to File, go to Settings, go to Output. As you can see, I can't click on any of this because I'm recording right now. So what you're going to do is go down to Recording Format under Recording, and you're going to click the drop down menu and make sure you click on MP4. The default is FLV or Flash Video, and with Windows 10, I'm guessing, or any Windows, Flash Video doesn't really work well with Windows. So you're going to want to click on MP4, and if MP4 doesn't work, when you click the drop-down menu, there's going to be a ton of other settings that you test out. It is kind of a long process, you know, if you're trying to find which setting works, but it's worth it. So yeah, and then you're going to click apply, and then you're going to click OK, and that's it for the opening your recordings fix. Now I'm going to show you the black screen fix. And when I first got this, I didn't really have a black screen problem, but I'll just show you guys what will happen. So first, I'm just going to add a custom scene, so I'll just call it scene 2, and it's black screen because I haven't added anything yet. So scene 2, you're going to click on add. Now, depending on what you want, like display capture, which is what I already have, and then you can create new, and then it'll pop this up, and then it'll show display, and there really isn't a decision of what display you want. Like, it'll pop up your default or what your computer is. I'm 1920 by 1080p. I don't know what the at or 0,0 is, so don't ask me about that. So yeah, this is gonna pop up, and then you're gonna click OK. I don't need to because I already have it. So, or actually I added it already. So yeah, there's the display capture. Sometimes it'll have a black screen because like the display, you'll have 2 options or 3 options, or you'll have the wrong option selected, and it won't be able to optimize to your computer. So that's probably one in-case scenario that a black screen would happen. Another case scenario I've seen before is game capturing. Now you go to game capture, create new. I don't have an existing because I already have the screen capture and it captures the screen. But what you're going to do is go to mode, capture specific window, and then you're going to click on the window. I don't have anything because I don't have everything pulled up besides OBS. But then you're going to click on which window your game is in, or which window your window is on, like if you have a pulled up window from the internet. So yeah, there's that. Multi-adapter, allow transparency, scale resolution. You don't really have to worry about that stuff. So yeah, and that's also the fix for the black screen. So yeah, that's it. If this video really helped you, make sure to drop down a like and drop a subscription to my channel. It would mean the world to me if you subscribe to my channel. If this video didn't help you out at all, please make sure to comment and ask me anything. I'll try to help you the best that I can. So yeah, I'm just gonna wrap it up. See you guys later.